How to make a resume on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a resume on LinkedIn, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To create a resume on LinkedIn, simply open up and log into your account and just go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the top left and going to view profile. Once you're here, you can simply click on the me icon in this case, and here you can see all of these sort of options that you might have added in this case, such as your similar profiles and adding your, let's say, recommendations and all these options here, right? So all you have to do is just click on the more option here by tapping on this option and sharing contact info about this profile, share profile message or whatever else it is. And once you've done that, you'll also find the option to download this as a resume, because if you scroll down under the experience tab, you can see all the experience that you've added. You can download all of this in a form of resume if that is what you actually want to do. This way you can go ahead and then basically make or add a resume on LinkedIn. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.